Okay, friends, we are on this HSK Standard Course 1 workbook, so on page number 5. So today we will discuss this lesson 2, 谢谢你 or thank you. So number 1, so I play this 2-1 audio.
2课，谢谢你。
Lesson 2. Thank you.
1. 朗读下列单音节词语。
Read the monosyllabic words aloud.
知、直、指、治、窗、床、闯、创、香、想、想、象、身、神、审、慎、簪、攒、攒、赞、宣、选、选、炫、应、迎、影、应、嚷、嚷、嚷、让。
So now I will play this 2-2 audio.
2. 朗读下列双音节词语。
Read the disyllabic words aloud.
认真、如果、洗澡、照片、词典、以前、以后、饮料、着急、火车、自己、眼镜、同学、同事、同意、突然、意思、丈夫、头发、事情。
Okay, so now we continue to this number 3 here. So 3, 读一读，猜一猜，给下列图片选择相应的词语。Read and guess, match the pictures with the words. So this one is hamburger. So in Chinese it's called 汉堡. So this is number the E. And then this one, champagne. So this one is called 香槟. So C. And then this is microphone. So it's 麦克风. So D. And then this one, chocolate. So chocolate. So this one, 巧克力. So this is A. And then we have this sofa. So the last one, this is called 沙发. It's B. So next, I will play this audio 2-3.
4. 听录音，写出听到的声母并朗读。
Listen to the recording, write down the initials you hear, and read the syllables aloud.
1. 人。 2. 神。 3张4脏5手6桌7坐8站9字10 3 11 4 12攒13茶14长15走16周17中18菜19热20车
So before I end this video, you can always go to this diagram robot here to download this free ebook. So this is free. You will have a chance to learn 100 most common Chinese characters in this workbook. So you can read a quick guide here. So there is a quick guide in this free ebook. So this is a diagram robot that you can join. And then you have this, I have included this pinyin. So this is a neutral tone. And then so are others. And then this one, you have this radical and it's Chinese strokes. So there are total about 8 Chinese strokes for this Chinese character. Then you will have this definition in English. So you can practice to write this Chinese character in these grids here. So there are around 100. And then you can write until the end if you wish to. And then if you want to learn to explore more Chinese books, you can always visit this URL here. So learnchinesebooks.blogspot.com. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And you can watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there is a link. You can click it. It is my diagram robot that I developed.